So in this video I'm going to discuss about the life cycle of the angiosperm. What is angiosperm? This is basically a successful division, and these are basically the flowering plants, and their ovaries basically change into the fruit because they're having a seed. In the angiosperm, if we talk about, their plants were not having the seed, so which means that they will be having a no ovary. But here the ovary is there, which means the seed will be developed, and then from seed there will be the development of the fruit as well. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the life cycle of the angiosperm. If I talk about the steps, so first step is the microsporogenesis, second is the megasporogenesis, third is the pollination, fourth is the fertilization, alright, fifth is the embryogenesis, and sixth, if we talk about, that is the development of seed, and from seed there is the development of the fruit. Alright, if we talk about these three, these are what? These are the pre-fertilization event before fertilization, and this is the after fertilization steps after fertilization. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the first step, that is the microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis, which means that they are the formation of microspore. Microspore are basically haploid, and these are formed from the microspore mother cell, which means we have to develop a male gametophyte, which means formation of microspore from the microspore mother cell through the meiosis. Let's see how it is going to develop. First, if we talk about, so here the androecium will be involved because of the male gametophyte. So this is the male reproductive organ, and the stamen is a individual unit of this. So let me make, this is the anther. Alright, this is anther is bilobed. Alright, and here this is the filament, and this is a thalamus. Alright, if we talk about the cut section of the anther, so this is like that. So here we are having these are the microsporangia, which will develop a male gametes. Alright, so here in the right side they are having the two microsporangia in the one lobe, and in the second there are two microsporangia in the second lobe. These are the four chamber, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, these are microsporangia. If we talk about their cell is called the sporogenesis tissues. This is basically completely arranged in the homogeneous cell, which means similar cell, they completely arranged. Alright, in this sporogenesis tissue will develop a microspore mother cell, and microspore mother cell is an individual unit, and that will develop a microspore, and from microspore there will be development of the male gamete. Let's see how it's gonna happen. Alright, so let me discuss about the microsporangia. So if we talk about the microsporangia, so in this microsporangia there is the meiosis will occur, and there is the production of the microspore mother cell, which is diploid. Microspore mother cell, or you can say there's a pollen mother cell, which will develop a male gamete. Alright, in this again the meiosis will occur, meiosis 1 will occur and meiosis 2 will occur, and there will be the production of the tetrad, which means 4 cells. First, in the meiosis 1, this is the reductional phase, and second, in which the chromosome number remains same, and from 2 there is a production of the 4 cells, which is a tetrad, or you can say there is a microspore. If I am taking this one microspore as a magnifying, so in this the microspore, the mitosis will occur, and in this mitosis will occur, and in that there will be the production of this one microspore will produce a one vegetative cell, and second will develop a generative cell, and in the upper side there is the axine, which is a productive layer. Alright, so here the pollen grain will be mature. Alright, this microspore become mature, or you can say there is a pollen grain or a pollen sac, or you can say the male gamete. Alright, this is the axine, which is a hard made up of the we can say this is made up of one. This is made up of the sporopollen, and this is the we can say the asymmetric mitosis, which means there is a development of the one pollen grain. Alright, so here we have discussed the one pollen grain is there, which means it will move toward what, which will move toward the ovary for the fertilization. So here the from the male reproductive organ, there is a production of the pollen grain. Alright, which is a male cells. So this was about the first part. Second part, I'm going to discuss megasporogenesis in the next video, and this life cycle will be comprised into the 3 or 4 videos. So yeah.